how to report someone on Discord mobile. Firstly, when I get up right here onto that file selection, I need to mention that there is no option by reporting someone on your application, and this is why you need to go on your browser and then you need to type support.discord.com, and then you need to select submit a request, which is related on your Discord selection, which you can find it here onto that search box selection. And then here on the first side you need to select trust and safety. Then you need to scroll down and go for how can we help. Just go on that selection, and here you can select which is the best option for you. In my option is report abuse or harassment. Right here on the second side you need to select why you're gonna do that selection. I'm gonna go on the first selection, which is cyberbullying or harassment, and in what way. Also you can select it, for example it's a treat or targeted harassment, and then you can take specifically what you want. And what is the most important right here, it is by scrolling down and get that description, but I need to mention that this description needs to be with a full sites of evidence, which is so important. And also if you want to take over to that full sitemans, you need to add a file or drop a file from your site selection from here, which will be better for you.